Hello, I am Soumyaranjan Sahu, industry expert in 9sem.com for Department of Chemical Engineering. I am welcoming you to this session where we will discuss about scope of chemical engineering. Before discussing the potential of a chemical engineer, we need to know why some students find so much of struggle to get into an industry. So, lack of skills and some industrial knowledge is the most important factors for it. But in this highly competitive market, a chemical engineer graduate can explore his potentials in multi-direction paths. So I have categorized them into three parts. First one is higher studies, second one is government sector jobs, third one is private sector jobs. So if you will consider higher studies, then there are preferably two options. First one is MBA, second one is MTech or MS. For MBA, you have to appear in exams like CAT, SAT, CMAT, ZMAT, etc. But for government jobs and MTech, you have to apply through GATE. GATE means Graduate Aptitude Test for engineers. Apart from all that, you can go for a private sector job. So let's discuss about different kind of sectors in chemical industries. So there is a huge number of industries who deals in chemicals. So let's discuss about them briefly. First one is pharmaceutical industries, which deals with medicines like API, means active pharmaceutical ingredients productions, tablets and injectables productions. Agrochemical industries, where we deals with fertilizers, pesticides, fungicides, herbicides, etc. In pulp and paper industries, where we deals with woods, pulp and paper preparation. In cement industries, we generally deals with production of rock adhesive cements. Petrochemical industries plays a very important role in this market. They generally deals with solvent production as well as production of petroleum byproducts. So there are industries like steel industries, polymer industries, aromatic industries, soap preparation industries and much more. In steel industries, we generally deals in iron ore extraction and steel production. In polymer industries, we generally deals in reinforced fiber production. So let's discuss about job role of a chemical engineer in these all mentioned industries. In private sector units, a chemical engineer can perform various types of job roles in different verticals. Let's discuss them one by one. Manufacturing or operational engineer. There you need to supervise the manufacturing operations of the plant manually or through DCS, which is district control system. Along with this, you have to manage manpower, production report, you have to sort all of the safety issues. In process department, you have to design PNID diagram, PFDs, preparing SOPs, selection of equipments, troubleshooting, process simulations, cost estimations, vendor selection, a lot of jobs of that kind. Project department plays a very important role in any kind of chemical industries. In this vertical, you can set up a new project. You can work on existing projects and you can modify them. In R&D department, you are able to develop the new molecules. You can play a very important role in troubleshooting of the plant problems. Let's discuss about quality assurance and quality control team. quality assurance and quality control, the name itself defines its own role and responsibilities. They are responsible for the quality of the product. Quality assurance generally deals with documentation parts, and quality control team generally deals with analysis part. A chemical engineer can opt for a consulting role. In this kind of role, you can act as a third party who provides services to the chemical industries regarding technical issues or any commercial recommendations to the organizations. Also, you can provide services regarding compliances like environmental compliances, safety compliances, etc. You can go for a regulatory affair jobs. In this kind of role, you generally deals with the regulatory bodies or statutory bodies for all the legal requirements or establishments of the organizations and for their smooth legal processes. So students, these are the basic role being performed by a chemical engineer in a private sector as well as in a government sector unit. So we will discuss all of them in further upcoming videos. Keep watching 9sem.com. Thank you very much.